Today we are going to talk about gas volume. So gas expand to fill any container. So we measure them by the volume rather than shape. At same temperature and pressure, equal volume of gas contain the same number of moles. Avogadro law. Gas volume at room temperature. At room temperature and pressure, if temperature is 20 and pressure is 1 atmospheric, the 1 mole of any gas occupies 24 decimeter cube at room temperature. Is it true? This is true for oxygen, for hydrogen, for carbon dioxide, for nitrogen, and for chlorine. Okay, it does not matter which type of gas. Okay, how we can convert 1 decimeter cube into centimeter cube? 1 decimeter cube contain 1000 centimeter cube. Okay, that means 250 centimeter cube contains 0.25 decimeter cube, and 500 centimeter cube contains 0.5 decimeter cube. Okay, always convert centimeter to decimeter before using the formulas. Okay, calculate the volume occupied by 3 moles of oxygen at room temperature. So what is the formula? Formula is quite simple, that volume is equal to number of moles into 24 decimeter cube. Okay, so number of moles are 3, so 3 into 24, that will give us 72. How many moles are present in 48 decimeter cube? So in 1 mole we have 24 decimeter cube, so in 48 moles 48 decimeter cube we have 2 moles. A sample of hydrogen occupies 240 centimeter cube at room temperature. Step 1 is to convert it into decimeter cube. So 240 centimeter cube, so we have to divide it by 1000, so that will give us 0.24 decimeter cube. Okay. Now we have to calculate the number of moles. So we will divide 0.24 divided by 24. That will give us 0.0. That will give us 0.01 moles. Now gas volumes in chemical equation. Okay, always begin with a balanced chemical equation. For example, H2H2 plus O2 gives us 2H2O. Okay, so H2 is has a ratio of 2 and O2 has a ratio of 1. Since gas volume is proportional to the number of moles, so volume ratio would also be 2 to 1. Okay. So, for example, hydrogen reacts with oxygen. How much oxygen is required for 48 decimeter cube of hydrogen? The ratio is 2 to 1. Okay. So, for 48 decimeter cube of hydrogen, we know that hydrogen is 2 to 1 ratio. So, half of the oxygen is needed. So, 48 divided by 2 is 24 decimeter cube or 1 mole. Okay. Methane burns completely. Okay, that is CH4 plus 2O2, CO2 plus 2H2O. So 12 decimeter cube of methane reacts. Find the oxygen required. So 12, that is methane is 1 mole, whereas oxygen is 2 mole. So 12 mole is required. So 12 into 2, that is 24 decimeter cube. That's all about it.